pull you over for these tinted windows, okay? Where's your front license plate at?
It's at the house. Yeah.
Belongs upstairs.
Alright, so this is a pretty interesting way to start today's video. I was gonna start it soon, but typical SEMA stuff, you know, driving to and from San Diego to LA for, you know, working on the FRS. I got Zeke with me from Universal Air.
Bro, we need to literally do like a whole a vlog after SEMA of all the like, crazy shit that's
we ran into a lot of the crazy stuff. But yeah, anyways, this was super random, but yeah, we just got pulled over. The cop seems super chill. He's just like bugging about window tint, front windshield tint. It's always getting me in trouble, but
you want to ask him to be a part of the vlog? I think that'd be cool. Just say, hey, you know what? We have a YouTube channel. You showing you getting the windows tinted and shit.
You can see all my state rep videos. I don't know what it is, guys. I always get pulled over between Temecula and Inland Empire. I'm always getting pulled over in this area. Hopefully he doesn't get me with anything too serious. He only mentioned my front plate and windshield tint, like always, but I mean, thankfully he didn't mention anything about my exhaust.
This is a citation for the tinted windows, all right?
Okay.
I made this thing a fix-it ticket. Just take the tint off the two front windows and this. Go by any highway patrol office and we'll send off the ticket for you, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
So do that. Right back to you. Oh yeah, put your front license plate on.
I like
You go through rear tires a lot?
Oh yeah.
Oh, they can't.
Alright, Christopher, here you go.
Alright. Guys, I don't know how many front windshield and tint tickets I've gotten. At least 10 to 15, at least.
What?
At least. Dude, every time I get pulled over is for that. It gets me in trouble so much, but it's like, damn, bro, it looks so good. Alright guys, let's go and continue our road trip. Alright guys, we have officially made it to our destination, or one of our destinations for today. Now we're actually at one of the, I guess, distribution centers for Subi Speed. So this is their like West Coast, I guess you could say like West Coast warehouse. I know they have multiple warehouses like across the US, but just to get your orders shipped, you know, faster and on time, they have a distribution center in like LA area. So this is like I said, this is their West Coast center, and we got some goodies for the STI today. So we're picking up a few things that I'm very, very excited for. 2 things that I want to put on before WeekFest LA. So I'm excited, man. It's gonna look sick. Car part heaven. You know, if you guys are on the West Coast, you guys order from Subi Speed or FT Speed, pretty much gonna come out of this place. So it's kind of sick how we're like in here. Guys, like check it out. Everything. There's just car parts everywhere. We got bags, Save-On stuff, you know, hoods, Eibach, some NRG seats. It's just scattered, just car parts everywhere. So I don't know, it's pretty sick just being here, kind of seeing where your order originates, where it gets picked up. You know, Subi Speed has been a huge partner in the channel with, you know, the STI build, the WRX build before, you know, the 2022 BRZ. So yeah, if you guys want to order, you know, anything for the website, use code BRGSSTI. Let's see if you guys 10% off majority of the stuff on the website. And yeah, once again, massive shout out to Subi Speed for partnering with me throughout the years and just, you know, making a lot of this stuff happen. But it's cool, again, seeing everything in person, you know, just versus being online on the website. It's been about a couple hours. We kind of transported to a special location. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. Damn, check it out. This has been the home for the FRS for the past, I want to say, month. This is pretty much where the Street Hunter kit was created. So all the molds, all the body work for the new wide body kit was done inside of this shop. I mean, as you can see, we have the Street Hunter trunk. So this is one of the pieces for the kit. Super sick. It has this kind of like integrated duckbill. But what do you guys think? It's kind of like inspired from that one duckbill. I forgot what it's called for the first gen FRS, but I believe it's like the discontinued one, and I've always really wanted this duckbill. So it's kind of cool how it's kind of just integrated in the trunk itself. Super hyped on that. I love this trunk. But yeah, the car as is just pretty bare. You know, like I said, they were just doing testing for the wide body kit. My car was pretty much used for the production of the wide body. So right now as we speak, the kit is getting made, you know, like the official wide body fenders, and it should be coming in about, I want to say, a week. Once those fenders come in, we can start you know, installing it onto the car. Like I said, my car is just here because it was just mainly used for production of the wide body kit. But yeah, it looks absolutely crazy, just completely bare. The fact how SEMA starts literally in like 2.5 weeks, it is really scary because the car looks like this and we have a ton of work to do. But yeah, once those molds come back and the official fenders get in our hands, we're gonna start working over at Lonzo's shop. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. This is the, I guess you can say, official front bumper for the Street Hunter Gen 1 kit. So it's kind of like GR86 vibes. I can really see it, especially with these little side vents. And honestly, I've been thinking about it. If you guys are familiar with the Robot Craftsman wide body kit, I feel like this front bumper really looks like that front bumper. It's pretty sick. It's gonna look like a little bit like a GR, so that's super exciting. Poor STI though, we've been racking up miles like crazy on this car. I think I'm almost at 25,000 miles, and we got it a year ago with 7,000. So we've been putting a hell of miles driving this thing up to LA, up until SEMA. Did the same thing last year with the second gen BRZ, so kind of sadly racking up miles on this thing, but dude, it's such a good daily. Alright guys, it's officially time to take the FRS out of the body shop. Now we're gonna transport it to Lonzo's place. Like I said, that's pretty much where we're gonna be doing all the work up until SEMA, getting this thing looking right, installing the kit, wheels, you name it. Now during the process of the wide body kit getting made and all the body work with the car, these blue shop towels were stuffed inside of the intercooler piping, mainly because we didn't want to get like dust inside of the intercooler, inside of the supercharger, because there's just like Bondo dust, fiberglass dust everywhere. I didn't know this because I didn't do body work on the car. I should have double checked, but throughout this whole time of me backing the car out of the garage, little did I know my intercooler piping was just completely clogged. I was kind of realizing that the car is not acting normal when I was backing it out of the garage. So I was like, oh, like maybe it was just because the car's been sitting for a while. But come to find out, something very unfortunate happens very soon. And that's when we realized that some things were not meant to be inside of the engine bay.
No, you're good. You just have that stand. That's it. A1.
Actually running a little rough, but
Oh yeah, it's
like
probably
idle.
yeah.
So at this point, the car stalls out on the side of the road. And once Alonzo comes by, he's like, Chris, did you remove all of the towels out of the intercooler piping? And I look at him and I was like, no. Pretty much we just start taking apart the car and this is what we find out. Oh my god, bro. I moved that.
Bro, we need to get
Oh my dude.
How,
I mean,
bro?
okay, hopefully it didn't like, whoa. Dude, your reaction? You're like, oh hell no.
I guess I was like, there's no way.
Yeah, so this was in the intercooler. I did not know, so
Dude, we had the car running.
and we had it plugged up from the body shop to like protect from all the Bondo stuff going in the intercooler and all the piping. I didn't even know it was in there. And yeah, the car just completely died. Check engine light on the side of the road.
Oh, because yeah, it's holding it down. Well, you can manually get it going. Wrench do any damage to it? Oh wow.
Step on the gas.
Step on the throttle? You're just trying to see if anything else is in there?
Yeah, but honestly, this dude, the towel's too thick. I think it'll be fine.
Honestly,
the towel's like really thick. I don't think it would have passed by.
yeah, I think the little flap caught it, so you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can just...
Your reaction, Chris?
No, your reaction.
Step on it again.
There it is. It's fully out. There you go. There you go. No, yeah, we're good. No, check it out. It was almost like perfect how I didn't damage it. Yeah, way better. 100%.
Okay guys, I think we're all good to go with the FRS. Guys, that was so freaking scary. I completely did not know there was paper towels in the intercooler piping, and we started it, you know, drove it down the street, and the car like threw a check engine light and died, and yeah, that was so scary. Like, I just did not know that there was paper towels in there clogging the piping. That could have been really bad. That could have been really bad. So I mean, thankfully we got all the paper towels out right now, and thankfully I had Lonzo because he has all of his stuff. Guys, we made it to Lonzo's shop. So the car's running really good once we took those paper towels out of the intercooler piping. Sorry, I look so tired. I haven't ate all day. It's been a long freaking day. I'm just inspecting the fenders once again. I don't even know if I showed you guys that much of these fenders earlier, but yes, these are the Sabon carbon fiber front fenders, the OEM style. And then on the back of his truck, we have the carbon fiber hood for the STI. Probably gonna put these on sometime soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I'm not too sure. Yeah, super stoked. I really want to put these on before WeekFest LA, which is this Sunday. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna be such a nice touch having some carbon front fenders as well as a matching carbon hood. I don't even know if I showed you guys yet, but Lonzo actually got a shop now. If you guys remember from last year, we worked out of his garage for the 2nd gen BRZ. This time, since he has a shop, we're gonna work inside of his brand new shop. Shop vibes though. Seriously cannot wait till I get my own shop. Check it out. Got my logo up there. Dude, the inside is so dirty.
Dusty.
Gosh, it is so dusty in here.
Dusty.